Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku we have in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021. The second puzzle I will solve is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2708. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in the third column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 and a 8 in this big square, so no 3 and a 8 in those two boxes. The 3 and a 8 goes in these two boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. All right. Let me see. Then how about the numbers? The 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. In this big square we have a 3 here, so the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. All right, then the 1, 4 and the 2 are missing. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last row. The 1, the 4 and the 2 are missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. We see here 1 and the 4 in this second column, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in the last row for the number 2. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this row, so no 9 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. So 2 digit left. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 6. We see there 3, no 3 there. No. We have a 3 here. This is incorrect. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We see here 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. This should be a 6. Oh, right. So we have a 6 in this column. Third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 9 and a 7. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 is missing, the 7 is missing in this big square, and the 4 is missing. Look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the last column, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Okay. Then how about the 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. All right. 1. Okay. And then. How about the number 9944? 8. Yeah, missing the 8. What a pity. 7. 8 and the 9, 2, 6, 3. 8 and the 9. All right. 8. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 9. 7 4 4 4 4 7 7 7. Yeah. 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 8. Yes, we have a pair. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes in this big square. So here also a 9, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 and the 8 goes together as a pair here. All right. So what are those missing numbers? The 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 7 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. All right. Yeah. 9 and 8. So 3 missing numbers, 2 missing numbers now in the in this row. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 2, 5 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 8. 8 is missing, alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright, now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright, now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 1 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 7. 7. I need a 7. 7, 7, 7. Alright, 7, 7. 1 is also missing. 7 and 4 is missing. 4, 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. The 7 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 1 is missing in this column. Well, we have a 4 and a 7 there, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column should be the 1. Alright. 1, okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. In the third row, the 8 is missing, the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here also 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Alright. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then 2 boxes left in the first row. The 7 and the 4. This cannot be an 8 anymore. 7 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Finished in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. A 4 stars Sudoku in 12 minutes. Yeah. Unbelievable. I'm well pleased with the time, because for 4 stars Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more. Alright, and I've finished this within 12 minutes, so I'm very pleased, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. See you later. Bye bye for now.